This next question, quick like Liz, it's another coordinate system question, but this time we're asking about velocity. So we've got Liz who's at 1 and -3 meters on basketball court. We've got her traveling, from that position to 15 and 4 meters in terms of coordinates, X and Y. But this time we've got a time in there, 3 seconds, and we're asking the velocity. So we're simply going to find the displacement, to divide that by time, 3 seconds, and get our velocity. We could put a coordinate system up like I have used in a previous question, but we're just going to go through the math with this one. If you're still unsure of it, I'd recommend drawing up that coordinate system. But if we've got our XY displacement, so it's the difference on x-axis between 15 and 1, which is 14, and on the y-axis the difference between the 4 and the -3, so there's a difference there of 7, so you can almost visualize your right angle triangle, one side being 14, one side being 7. And so what's the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle? We can just use Pythagoras theorem to figure that one out. And we've got 15.65 as our displacement. So Liz has run 15.65 meters in 3 seconds. So we can simply put that into our velocity equals displacement over time calculation and get 6.25.